Now that we've created the mutant AI animation blueprint, we have to activate it in the character blueprint class, how we did with the archer, by going to mesh and then anim class under animation. Instead of archer, we're going to shoot for mutantai-bp, and you'll instantly start to see him to do his blend space and animations. We're going to compile this. Then we're going to go back to the viewfinder. We're actually going to drag him into the map now. Oh, and there's actually one thing we have to do before that. If you see, the camera is still part of the class, so we're going to go ahead and delete that. Otherwise, it's going to try to view from both cameras. It's going to mess you up, and it might crash your system. So back to the viewfinder, we're going to grab the character blueprint. We're going to drag them into the map. And now, before we start coding him, we're going to make him look at the character. So when we do code him, it's going to instantly do the things we want it to and interact with the character how we want it to. Okay, so I'm just rotating him. And then after every couple moves, you always want to save all. This is so important. And before testing, you always want to save all just